Oh, sweet mother of mercy. How much? Okay, stay tuned for this video.
Did you all get a great Black Friday? I hope so, because this special Friday is not what it used to be. I think it's not even special anymore. Anyway, I got my Roomba at the Black Black Friday deal. So I guess there's still some hope about these deals day. By the way, do you want a good, smart robot to clean your house? Check this video about my Roomba. The little thing is now reaching 3 years and it saved me a lot of time and back injury. How much time do you say? Tis many, but parts do wear off and they will need a bit of maintenance. That's why I decided to give a birthday present to my special little Bobot. New rubber wheels, new brushes, and the front caster wheel. And of course, a good cleaning. Looks like these things can last a long time, and there's a lot of official or non-official spare parts. You should really think about spare parts when you get a super expensive deal like these. But let me put in the good word. Roombas have a really great support from iRobot. In fact, this set of rubber wheels will work in all series of Roombas. I mean,
all models.
Okay, it's expensive. I understand. However, take into consideration that this can be a good deal for people with either health issues, low mobility, plus it's convenient. You will save lots of time, like I said before. It's worth it. Before we dive in, and if you own one, look at your iRobot app. Inside of it, you can find a slider that will tell you when to change some of the stuff. Have you checked it already? Great. Let's splash in and get our hands dirty.
This is the deep clean part. Just watch it carefully and repeat. Then grab a clean cloth plus the Opolar air duster and you're good to go. Now we're heading to the wheel replacement. Still easy, but you'll need a couple of tools here. Time to clean that hidden dirt too. The genuine part from iRobot. Finally, the caster wheel. And lastly, the rubber replacement. If you don't want to buy the expensive wheel set, you have to rip apart the old glue and pull really hard. Some other tutorials just say pull these and they will come out. I could not, so I used the scissor instead. Put the new one and it's done.
Just like new. I'm sure that not all of you have a robot from iRobot or Roomba, but if you do, check this tutorial as many times as you want and share it with your friends. If you don't have one, maybe you'll want one. I don't know, maybe. Maybe you're afraid of the robot appraisal. But one thing is for sure, don't forget to smash that like button, and while you're on it, subscribe. We have new cool things coming. So like always, see you next time.